Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 6. The subject is English and the sub-subject is honeysuckle and the topic is who I am. This is chapter number 6 in your book. Today we will do the exercises of this chapter. Exercises of this chapter. In this chapter there are a few students, a few children, they told about themselves. For example, here is the Radha. Radha tells about herself that she likes to climb the trees. Then there is Nasir. Nasir tells that he likes to collect the seeds. And then there is Rohit, and he tells us that he wants to travel, he likes to travel. And then there is Sabjit. Sabjit tells us that whenever anybody scold him without his mistake, he get angry, but he don't show his anger, he only look towards his shoe. It means if he is going to look towards his shoe, it means he is angry, but he don't shout if he is angry. Then there is Dolma. Dolma tells us that she wants to be the Prime Minister of India in future. And in the last there is Peter. Peter tells us that he went to the cinema on every my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. The second Sunday of every month is the favorite day of Peter, because on the second Sunday of every month he goes every month he goes to the cinemas. He goes to the cinema hall to see the movie, to watch the movie with his whole family. So there are different characters, there are different children, and they tell about themselves. And after that there is part 2. In part 2 it is said about the multiple intelligences. For example, verbal intelligence. Verbal intelligence is related to speaking. And then there is visual intelligence. Visual intelligence is related to seeing. If we are going to see anything, pictures, drawing, all these things are related to visual intelligence. Then there is mathematical intelligence. Mathematical intelligence is related to solving the math problems using the logic, etc. And then there is bodily intelligences. We use bodily intelligences. In bodily intelligences we use our body in a good way. Dancing, walking, running, these kinds of things can be included in bodily intelligences. And then there is musical intelligences. If you are fond of music, if you like the music a lot, it means you have musical intelligences. And then there is interpersonal intelligences. If you want to have the relationships with other, if you have good relationship with other people, it means you have interpersonal intelligences. In this way there are many things, there are many intelligences that are here you can say described in this chapter. Now let us see the exercises of this chapter. Page number 73. First of all, page number 73. On page number 73 it is given answer the following questions. It is given answer the following questions, although there are not questions. There are sentences and we have to complete the sentences, means fill in the blanks you can say. The sentences are not complete and we have to complete the sentences. The first one is The first sentence is Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday. Peter's favorite day. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday. Of the week is Sunday because then we have to complete the sentence, because then we will take one more line. Then there is second one. The second one is Nasir wants to learn. Nasir wants to learn. What do Nasir wants to learn? We will see here. Then there is one more, that is Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister. She can make a good prime minister because then we have to complete the sentence. So first of all, let us see the first one. The first one is Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because on this day his whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. Full stop. Now come to the next one. The second one is Nasir wants to learn how to preserve seeds so that they can be used without investing money on them. So this is the second one. Now see the last one. Dolma believes that she can make good prime minister because she wants to make things better for everyone. So these are the sentences. With these sentences we will fill the blanks. So in the first, Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because on this day his whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. The second one is Nasir wants to learn. We will fill with how to preserve seeds so that they can be used without investing money on them. Then the next one is Dolma believes that she can make good prime minister because she wants to make things better for everyone. This is A. Now let us see B, part B of this exercise. Part B is write true or false against each of the following statements. We have to write true or false. First one, Peter is an only child. Peter is an only child. Second one is, when Sarabjit gets angry, when Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. He shouts at people. Then the next one is, Nasir lives in the city. Nasir lives in the city. Then the last one is, Radha's mother enjoys doing things. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. Doing things with her. Yeah. Now see, Peter is an only child, but in the text we have read that Peter has two brothers and sisters. It means Peter is not an only child. It is false. Then come to the next one. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. In the text it is given that he don't shout on the people. Whenever he gets angry, he looks towards his shoes. He looks towards his shoes, and that's why it is false. It is also false. Come to the third one. Nasir lives in the city. No, we have seen that he likes to collect the seeds. He lives in the village. So it is also false. He doesn't live in the city, but he lives in the village. Come to the next one. Last one is, Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. Yes, it is correct. For example, we have seen the example that once she had also climbed on the tree with Radha. It means she likes to do the things with Radha. Radha's favorite thing is to climbing the trees, and we have once see that once her mother also climbed on the tree with Radha. So it means it is true. The fourth one is true. So first one is false, second is false, third is false, fourth one is true. Now let us see the next things. Now come to page number 76. Page number 76. On page number 76, it is given, fill in the blanks to name the different kinds of intelligence. One has been done for you. For example, when I enjoy listening to the people and solving their problems, I use my interpersonal intelligence. In the same way, we have to fill in the blanks. So number one is, when I enjoy dancing, or I enjoy dancing, or physical activity, comma, I use my which intelligence, we have to fill it, intelligence. Now come to the next one. The second one is, when I enjoy looking at maps, when I enjoy looking at maps, and examining pictures and examining pictures I use my intelligence. The third one is when I enjoy working with numbers and solving maths. When I enjoy working with numbers, I enjoy working with numbers and solving math problems. I use my intelligence. Fourth and last one is when I enjoy telling a story or arguing. When I enjoy telling a story or arguing, I use my intelligence. So see, the first one is when I enjoy dancing or physical activity. It means dancing and physical activity, these are related to our body. It means I use my bodily intelligence. The next one is when I enjoy looking at maps and examining pictures, looking towards something, understanding the things by looking. It means visual intelligence. Then the next one is when I enjoy working with numbers and solving maths problems, I use my math problems. It is very simple, mathematical intelligence. And the fourth one is when I enjoy telling a story or arguing, I use we tell a story, we speak with our mouth. It means verbal intelligence. I use verbal intelligence. So these are we will fill with these words. In first, bodily; in second, visual; in third, mathematical; and in fourth, verbal. Now see page number 76 and 77. It is given working with language, match the job on the left with its description on the right. On the left here will be job and on the right here will be description, and you have to match. So we will make it A and this B. So first one is navigator. The second is architect. Third is politician. Fourth is engineer. Five is computer programmer. 6 is athlete. 7 is disc jockey. Disc jockey. 8 is composer. Composer. 9 is counselor. And 10 is journalist. Journalist. This side A is advises people what to do. Advises people what to do. What to do about jobs. About jobs. About jobs and personal problems, etc. Personal problems, etc. The second one is the second one is B1 is works in politics. Works in politics. Politics, usually by standing for election. Usually by standing in election. Next one is finds and monitors the route. Finds and monitor the routes. Monitor the routes. Monitor the route to get to a place. To get to a place. To get to a place or the direction of travel. Or the direction of travel. Next one is reports on recent news. Reports on recent news. Recent news for newspaper. For newspaper, comma, radio or TV. Radio or TV. Next one is radio or TV. Next one is plans the design of a building. Plans the design of a building. Town or city. Town or city. Full stop. Next one is controls and puts together. Controls and put together and puts together a program of music, a program of music. Next one is works in sports or activities, works in sports or activities such as running, jumping, etc. Such as running, jumping, etc. Next one is designs and builds things, design and build things, designs and build things and builds things like roads, bridges or engines, like roads, bridges or engines. Full stop. Next one is makes up notes to create music, makes up notes to create music, notes to create music. Next one is designs the system by which a computer runs or gives information. Full stop. So these are the 10 words and we have to match these 10 words with these explanations. So it is given, match the jobs on the left with its description on the right. At the left side here is the job and at the right side here is the descriptions of those jobs, and we have to match the job with its description. So first one is navigator. Navigator means finds and monitor the route to get a place or direction to travel. So it will be matched with this one, navigator. The second one is architect. Architect, it plans the design of building, town or city. Architects plans the design of a building, town or city. Next one is engineer. Engineer designs and builds things like roads, bridges and engines. So engineer design and builds things like roads, bridges or engines. Then the next one is computer programmer. Computer programmer designs the system by which a computer runs or gives information. So it will be matched with this one, will be matched with this. So next one is athlete. Athlete works in sports or activities such as running, jumping, etc. So athletes will be matched with this one. Then the next one is disc jockey. Disc jockey controls and puts together a program of music. So this will be matched with this one. And composer makes up notes to create music. Composer makes up notes to create music. And then the counselor advises people what to do about jobs, personal problems, etc. It will be matched with, this will be matched with A. So advisor. And journalist. Politician is left. Politicians works in politics usually by standing in election. It was left. So mark here. So politician works in politics usually by standing in election. Now the last one is journalist. Reports on recent news from newspaper, radio or TV. So we will match journalist with the D. So this is the matching word that is given in your book. Now the exercises of this chapter is completed. So my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.